What's up, guys? Welcome to Wang's World. My name is Wang, and we're going to look at this 98 Jeep Cherokee I just bought 2 months ago. So I just bought this 98 Jeep Cherokee about 2 months ago. It was bone stock when I got it. Completely stock. It had a manual transmission, 4-liter inline-6 engine, and it was the bright jade color. What really drew me to this Jeep Cherokee was the bright jade color as well as the manual transmission. It only had 183,000 miles when I got it. The previous owner pretty much just trailered it and towed it behind his RV, so he didn't really drive it. It was like sitting for about 2 years. So unfortunately, when I picked up the Jeep, it was having some overheating issues, as well as the exhaust broke on the first day within the first 6 hours, let's say, due to some poor welds. So in the past 2 months, I've flushed out the radiator and the coolant system and replaced that with fresh coolant, so it's no longer overheating and we can use the air conditioner. But it does have some areas where you can put some recovery hitches on there and pull yourself out, so that was a bonus. I also got some new headlights on the Jeep from Amazon. I put about 2,000 miles on it so far in the past 2 months. Did a few modifications. The modifications include cutting the front fenders, cutting hood vents into the hood to help with the overheating issue, which was really a problem with the coolant. As well as I still need to cut the rear fenders. As you can see, I have the rear fenders all prepped and ready, so I know where the pinch welds are, so I don't cut those. I took off all the plastic fenders because I'm not going to be using those, because I'm looking at maybe putting a 4-inch lift kit on here with 33-inch mud terrain tires. The exhaust is still broken, but it is drivable. And I also put some rugged ridge floor mats throughout the entire thing. Those floor mats really make it a lot easier to clean, and just makes it a breeze to knock out all the dirt and rocks and all the mud that you might accumulate in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little overview of the Jeep Cherokee. Stay tuned for some more updates, because we are going to be putting a lift kit on here, some larger tires, probably going to be re-gearing the axles, as well as putting some lockers in there, just some cheap Spartan lockers, so that we can get up more trails and have more adventures in this. Watch out too, because we're going to be hitting a lot of trails in the greater Albuquerque area, so stay tuned for that.